So in a matter of hours, there will be the small matter of a challenge to the presidency of longtime JCA boss, Billy Haven, by his longtime vice president, Dr. Donovan Bennett. And look, without getting into the intricate politics of local cricket, things are already at a point where it's anybody else except who is there now. Cricket at the national level, with some fleeting exceptions, Jamaica's cricket has been and continues to be depressing to watch, depressing to discuss, depressing even to think about. And while the stagnation and indeed the deterioration was taking place, President Billy Haven has been conspicuously nonchalant and mysteriously stuck in the job. But again though, just like it was with the recent JFF presidential election, if this was a public vote, Billy Haven would be booted out of office. But again, as it was with the JFF election, the general public will not vote in the JCA election. So, unless there's an upset by the duck, we might well be stuck with Billy, and the cricket remains silly.